This is Knarfy. For the past couple of months, he has been making videos where he makes his viewers ideas. And he's not the only one. Countless people have done this, even YouTubers like Fundy and Dr. Red. But wait a minute, none of them are command block YouTubers. Yeah, you already know what's coming. A diamond ore that runs away from you. Okay. Oh man, I should go mining. What? That's a convenient diamond ore. What? Come back! Pretty much how this works is, it detects that I'm close to the diamond ore, replaces the diamond ore with air, summons a cat.
Right, I'll tell you what, you fat little cunt.
With a diamond ore as a block display on top of it, and makes the cat invisible. And because cats are scared of you and they run away from you, you can actually just get a running diamond block just like that. Wait a second. A cat? No, it can't be. How did he know? He planned this. He knew all along. The Squid Games doll. Should be interesting. So I'm usually pretty good with like block displays, but that's better. That's better. So the first thing I did was make this little arena. Then I made two scoreboards and this mechanism for the doll. The two scoreboards detect when you walk or run, and the mechanism controls when the doll turns and when it's supposed to kill you. Now the way I made the elimination process is by putting these diamond blocks one block below the floor. And so if the doll is looking at you and the scoreboard goes up, meaning you moved, then the command block will come for you. So after some polishing, here's how it looks. Knee surgery. Why? You want me to make a portal gun? Bet. So the first thing I did was make this nice little block display. I mean, look at those edges, god damn! Then I made a teleport to a player with this command, so it kinda, sorta looks like I'm actually holding it. Now the challenge after this was of course the portals themselves. You see, in Portal, you can use left click to shoot a blue portal and right click to shoot an orange portal. But I can't really detect left clicking and right clicking at the same time while not holding anything in my hand, can I? Oh, what's this? 1.19.4 update, interaction entities? Never mind! Yeah, so we got right click and left detection now. Naturally, the next step is to make some kind of ray tracing system so I can actually shoot the portals where I'm looking at. I solved this by summoning an armor stand, which has the player's rotations, and then just teleporting it forward. This is probably one of the most basic ways you can make ray tracing in Minecraft, and I actually used this in the past for stuff like guns. Alright, so I actually have to do something with the armor stand that I basically shoot out. So Minecraft is made up of cubes, and cubes have 6 sides, and I want the portals to be placeable on all sides of a cube. I achieved this by summoning an item frame facing a specific direction based on which side of a cube got hit by the armor stand. Then, of course, for the final touches, I made it have this cool particle effect, which is also dependent on which way the item frame is facing. All that was left now is to make it actually teleport me. I did this by just detecting which portal's item frame is the player close to, and then teleporting the player to the other one. This can be achieved by giving them separate tags, making them distinguishable. Now the problem with this way of teleportation was that every time I stepped in a portal, I got continuously teleported and I couldn't move. Basically, I got soft-locked. I solved this issue by making some scoreboards that go from 20 to 0 as soon as you enter a portal, so both of the portals have a cooldown on them, so that you can actually use the portals and not get soft-locked. Honestly, I'm super happy how this turned out, and it's probably one of my best projects so far.
The Enrichment Center regrets to inform you that this next test is impossible. Make no attempt to solve it.
Survival friendly tech. Alright. So I think I'm gonna make a multi-block, as I actually made multi-blocks before and there was a multi-block in my head last time that I didn't end up making. So this is the perfect opportunity to do that. So I want to make an upgraded version of the blast furnace. My blast furnace will be a lot bigger and it will double every raw ore that it smelts. Now I also need to assemble the multi-block in some way, and for that I decided to go for an armor stand. So I made a block display, wrote some code, and now you can assemble the blast furnace just like that. And I think it looks fantastic. So how does assembling it actually work? Well, once I place the armor stand, it checks what blocks are under it, and if these specific blocks are there, then it summons another armor stand, the special tag, as well as the block display itself. Now we just need to create some functionality. I did this by detecting when a raw ore is dropped next to it, then killing it and giving the player 2 ingots of that ore. I did this for copper, gold and iron, as these are the only 3 ores in the game which have these raw versions. So after all that, it's finally done, and it actually works properly. Anyways, thank you for watching this little video I made. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment if you feel like it, and have a nice one.